cavities and tooth decay are among the world's most common health problems. They're especially common in children, teenagers and older adults. But anyone who has teeth can get cavities, including infants. Gargling with sesame oil has been extensively used as a traditional Indian remedy for strengthening teeth, gums and jaws, and to prevent tooth decay or bleeding gums. Gargle daily with a teaspoon of sesame oil added to half glass of lukewarm water after brushing teeth. Or wipe teeth and gums with sesame oil after brushing. Today, we will share with you the surest way to get rid of tooth decay and pain at once: tooth cavity and pain natural treatment. First, we need garlic. You may think of garlic as more of a staple in Italian cooking than a way to relieve toothache pain, but it's been touted for its medicinal qualities for centuries. One of the most well-known compounds in garlic is allicin, which has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Trusted source that can help kill some of the bacteria associated with toothaches. Allicin is found in fresh garlic after it is crushed or cut. Second, we need salt. Salt can improve the pH balance in your mouth, thus making an alkaline environment in which bacteria struggle to survive. According to the American Dental Association, foaming toothpaste commonly contains salt, which helps the toothpaste stay in your mouth. This helps prevent dribbling while you brush your teeth. Salt promotes healing, so it is a great tool to use after minor dental surgery to help the area recover. Third, we need mustard oil. Mustard oil and salt is an age-old home remedy that is used to clean your gums and remove the plaque on your teeth. Salt acts as a mild abrasive that helps remove strain and brighten teeth. Moreover, it contains a natural source of fluoride, which is a bonus for your teeth and gums. On the other hand, mustard oil helps strengthen your gums and makes it easier to remove the plaque. Plaque is generally formed due to bacteria that is surrounded by fatty membranes. Swishing mustard oil can help loosen the fat-soluble bacteria and further avoid gum bleeding. Put this material in the hole in the tooth. In just 10 minutes you will see the pain is gone. This way you will get better results after 7 days of use. Sleep by brushing your teeth every morning and night. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.